How to log into the Huntington Bank account. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily log into your Huntington online banking. First off, you're going to have to open up your web browser, and then on here you will just search for Huntington Bank. Once you search for it, you can just tap on the first link, huntington.com, and it will take you to the official website for the bank. Now, in order to log in, you're going to have to find the login button right here on the top of your screen. So you can browse through here and find more about the bank. Now just tap on the profile icon here to log into your account. You'll be taken directly to the login page. So if you are new here, you can tap on new to online banking to enroll now or create an account. But if you're an existing user, you can provide your username right here and then simply enter your password. And if you want to verify your password, you can just go ahead and tap on login and see if you're able to. If somehow you've forgotten your password, in that case, you can click on this link to recover it. And once you've recovered your password, just enter the right one and click on the login button. And after that, you should be able to simply log into your Huntington Bank account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.